So in today's video, I do have something special for you, and I do have something a little different. I am going to show you guys how to get grants for your trucking business. What's good to all my truckers out there? It's your boy KINGLATTA, and I am back at you again with another trucking video. If you don't know already, I have started up a business at the age of 19, and it's my job to show you how to start a trucking business and how to successfully run a trucking business the easiest way possible. So in today's video, guys, I have a special treat for you. I am going to be showing you guys how to get some trucking grants. I'm pretty sure you already know that from the title, but I'm gonna show you guys 3 grants, and don't skip anything in this video because I will be giving you guys some extra tips and tricks on how to run a successful trucking business. Also, throughout the video, I will be showing you guys another business and personal grant that you guys can receive, and I will be showing you guys how you can get a fast, instant $5,000 loan through a specific bank that I will show you throughout this video. So if you skip this video, you might miss this free money. So with all that being said, stay tuned for more after the intro. Ooh. What's good to YouTube? So actually, before we get into the trucking grants, I'm gonna actually go over this first personal loan first, and they also have business loans as well. But the first thing I want to go over is this Truist personal loan, man. And you can get a minimum of $3,500 up to $5,000 instant approval, and also they do have small business right here. So if since we are businesses and we are entrepreneurs, let's get into this business loan, and you can open yourself an account with Truist today, man, and you can get small business loans. Big dreams, big future, big funding, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, you know, $15,000 and stuff like that. But all you gotta do is, you know, you can click here to learn more. But this is you know, what I wanted to show you, man. So borrow up to $50,000, simple business loan, up to 60 months. And if you don't know already, guys, the key to getting loans and approved for loans is putting the highest term, because it's a win-win for you, both you and the bank. So with this higher term of 60 months, you will be paying, you know, half of what you will be paying if you want to pay this loan back in 2 years. So you could be paying, you know, $200 for you know, I would say $400 a month for this $50,000 loan, instead of $1,000 a month if you was trying to pay this back in 2 years. And also the bank will get more interest off of you if you pay for longer, because you have longer terms. So even though you won't really feel that interest, you will on the back end. It will be like $57,000 that you will be paying back, but you know, that monthly will be cheaper. And in a trucking business, you can make $1,000 a day and pay that loan off in just one single day, man. But let's get right into these trucking grants, and the first one I have to show you would have to be this U.S. Department of Transportation. This is the website that we're going to go over, but this is called the Strengthening Mobility and Revolutionizing Transportation Smart Grants Program. So on this Smart Grants Program, who is eligible? A state, a tribal government, a public toll authority, a metropolitan, and a group of 2 or more eligible entities detailed above. So if you are a entity, you know what I'm saying, LLC, you can get this smart loan. So I mean, not loan, but grant, because with loans you have to pay it back with interest. With grants, it's completely free money, and as you can see, they've given out over $94 million in funding. And all you have to do is go right here and press, put your email on there, you know what I'm saying? Simple as that. So if you want to know how to get directly to this page, let me go back for you, and it's right here, man. You type in all of this: strengthening mobility and revolutionizing and grant, and boom, it's gonna be the first thing. And you put in your email, and it will email you when it's time to, you know, start applying for these grants. And when you want to apply for grants, I would show you how to get approved and how to, you know, get approved for grants, and what to put on your applications, what to put on your statement of need. But you can watch that in this video right here, man. You can watch that in this video right here. Let me move this because that's the video I just did. If you want to learn how to trade, man, don't forget to check out these trading videos right here, and you can get trading knowledge the easiest way possible. Even middle schoolers can trade the way we trade. over on Pocket Option, man. Very easy. As you can see, we had a little rough day today, you know what I'm saying? We lost what, 5, but we won what, 5. So even though we didn't make no money, you know what I'm saying, no money on wasn't made, but we didn't lose no money on, man. But you can learn how to trade the easiest way possible. This might look like mumbo jumbo to you, but if you watch my recent video, I will explain exactly everything that you need to know so you can start making money on this Pocket Option trading platform. But that is the first grant that we're going to go over. And for the second grant, let's get right into it. We do have the rural opportunities to use transportation for economic success. So to find out where these grants are, there are multiple grants for this grant right here. I keep saying grant, but it is multiple websites to receive this grant and to apply for this. But we're going to go to this purple link right here on Oats Transit. Bro, like, what's going on, man? This is not the website that I was on earlier. The website I was on earlier did not look like that. I swear, man, like I said, that was not the web. I don't know why that junk was in purple, but this is the website I was on earlier. Business grants for minorities, small business grants, over here on USA funding applications. So this is where we're gonna go, man. And over here you can see business, personal, all this good stuff. But they do have the grants over here for you to start the application process today. And this is where you would go. You can get, you know, $1 million, all this funding categories and all of this stuff right here. This is all the information you need over here on this website, usafundingapplications.org. So once you put in your applications, you can see grant application services begin to proceed now. So I mean, begin the process now. So you put in your information, man, and you know, business, personal, no Sarsky, we're entrepreneurs. We're here for entrepreneurship purposes only and how to invest in our business. So yeah, because guys, you don't understand how important it is to be a entity, LLC, or some type of business, because you can literally separate yourself in 2 different areas. You can have a business credit and personal credit. If your personal credit is fried, if you messed up some things while you were young, you used too much of your credit, or you still have a high credit history, a high credit utilization, you can use your business credit. And if you know you got money, you got cash liquid, but your personal credit is fried because of some things that happened 2 years ago, but you got money to get, you know, that fresh Camaro, that fresh Dodge Charger, you know what I'm saying, that fresh Mercedes, go ahead and buy it through your business credit, because your business credit has good credit, you know what I'm saying. And to get some downlines, to get some credit lines, you guys could use for transportation industry, you can use a2b.com. So this is a fuel card that will give you credit to your business, guys. It will report to the business credit bureaus, and you can use A2B fuel card, or you can use the Fuel Man. But I go with A2B, and it is a prepaid card, so you will put like $50 on there, and then you will spend the $50, and that's all you have to do. So there's no paying back any debt or credit. You would just put $50 on there or $20 on there, and then you'll spend that $50 in gas that you just put on there. But on to this third grant. But before we get into the third grant, let me go ahead and show you another multiple grants that you get for personal reasons and business reasons, and they have grants year round. Before we get too much more into the video, don't forget to go down and check out the links in the description where you can connect with me. I do offer coaching calls. You can get out a one-on-one conversation with me and the Calendly/KINGLATTA link in the description, as well as we do have a lot of ebooks on a lot of ebook store where you can get step-by-step ebook tutorials on how to start your trucking business the fastest way, how to build your credit the fastest way, and even how to start an online business the fastest and easiest way as possible, because that's all we do over here on Black Investors Group, is we make investing easy, man. And also we do have the YouTube memberships for a very cheap price, where you can get exclusive investing content, no ads, no promo, and no fluff, straight to the point information. So if you want to make some money the easy way, go ahead and hit those links, man. Back to the video. Woo! It is on Passion Collective, and it is Atomic Grants. And as you can see, they have grants coming in 2024, and you can get up to $20,000 rewarded if you have the best statement of need. So like I said, man, don't forget to check out this video right here for the statement of need. But this is where you would go, and you would put your email in here to start getting notified about these new grants coming up. But for the third one and the final one that we have to show you is going to be I forget what this one's called actually, because Yeah, here it goes. Build America Bureau Innovation Program grant. So for this one, we were on the website, the FMCSA website, and also that's the grant name right there. So you can go ahead and copy and paste that and find another link if you want to. But for this one, we are going to go through the FMCSA website. I hope you think this site looks familiar, but this will actually help you get more grants. So you can also visit the Grants Resource Center right here, and once you do that, they have multiple grants that you can go ahead and start getting, guys. So you would just get the information for this, and hey man, say man, that hey yo, you know what I'm saying? Free money, you don't want to miss out. If you want to learn more ways to make money, we do have trading, man, and we do have a lot of videos over on the YouTube channel on how to make money in the trucking business, how to start your trucking business, how to make online money, how to make e-money, man, because it's nothing like having, you know, $100 getting paid to you on an everyday basis just because you put some books on an ebook store. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to check out the Lotta ebook store, by the way. While we're at it, go ahead and get you that knowledge. But yes, if you want a website just like this, man, I can make you a website for the cheapest price possible. All you have to do is go into Calendly/KingLatta, link in the description, and schedule a website making consultation, and I will get with you to customize a website for drop shipping or for a store that you want to start selling products on. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep learning how to make this easy money. And with all that being said, that is it for today's video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the family. This is Black Investors Group, where we do make investing easy, man. I hope you guys enjoyed these bank loans, these grants, and how to trade on pocket option. And if you want to learn more on how to trade on pocket option, check out the videos through my channel, as well as don't forget to check out the links in my description to reach out with me and to get exclusive investing content with. With all that being said, stay tuned for the next video. We out. Whoop.